Hello everyone, welcome to VisualSnaps. Today we're talking about how you can film great fight scenes. Before you start filming your fight scene, you're going to want to think about what is the audience's perspective on this fight scene. Is your audience right in the thick of the fight, or are they a bystander watching from the outside? To show this perspective, you're going to use aspects of cinematography. The things you're going to use to do this are angles, framing, and camera movement. If you want to make your audience feel like they're right in the thick of it, you can use quick cuts and close shots in your fight scene, and this will show this perspective. But if you want your audience to feel more like a bystander, you can use long takes and more far away shots and show the fight from a distance, meaning, well, the audience is a bystander. To make your fight scenes flow better, you definitely want to choreograph the whole scene out with your actors and make sure they know exactly what's happening. This also makes it less likely for accidents to happen and someone getting hurt. On that note, you'll need to make sure that your fight scene and set is safe and that your actors know what they're doing. You can also use safety measures like crash pads and other padding and fake blows, and these will help your actors from getting hurt. To make your fight scenes look and flow better, you'll want to keep your editing tight and clean. To do this, you want to leave out all the dead space or no or low action scenes and just keep the high intensity scenes that you've shot. Don't leave pauses or wind-ups or stuff like that. Just keep it quick and concise. Another thing that will make your fight scene better is music. And you can use a dramatic piece or maybe a funny piece of music, and this will help prove your perspective or point in this fight scene. Another thing you can do with the music is edit to the music's beats, or even have your punches or kicks or whatever match up with the music's beat, and this will help things flow. Don't just add a fight scene to your films just because it looks cool. You'll definitely want to make sure your fight scene proves a point or furthers your story. To do this, maybe you can ask yourself the question, what is the point of the fight scene? If there's no point to it, take it out and make sure that your film tells a complete, good story. Well, that's it for today. Like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.